Today we'll be considering the topic number bases. And first thing I want you to know is that every number has a base. And the one we are common with, the one we are familiar with is the base 10 number. Now, you might not know you have been solving numbers in base 10 all this while, but you have actually been solving numbers in base 10. And I can prove it to you. For example, when you have 79 plus 14, that your normal mathematics that you know. Now this is in base 10, but it is not written in base 10 to you to know. So how did I know? 9 plus 4 will give you 18. You write 3. Now, when you were young, they'll tell you you just carry 1 over here. Now you're not actually carrying 1, you're carrying 10. So that is actually 10 plus 10, that's 17. That's why it's 17. So if you're carrying 10, that is showing that what we are basing on is on base 10. Is on base 10. So you then have 17 plus this plus 1, that's 18. Then you have your answer as this. So this aside, we have different bases, we have a lot of bases, and we have numbers that can contain each base. For example, base 2 can only have numbers that are 0 and 1. The highest number base 10 can have is 9. That is numbers that ranges from 0 to 9. That is what can be in base 10. Now base 3 will be having 0, 1, 2. Base 4 will be having 0, 1, 2, 3, and so on and so forth like that. Then base 10 will have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that is that. Now this base 2 is called binary. Any number in base 2 that contains 0 and 1 is called binary. Then base 10 can also be called denary. Now these are the two main bases that are considered in number bases. They are the ones that are mostly considered in number bases. So, and that is why they are majorly the ones with much examples in your textbooks and in exams. So starting with binary, let's quickly consider some basic operations in binary. I already told you binary is base 10 number and it has 0 and 1. So let's start with addition. So addition, we have 1, 1, 1, 1, and we have 1, 0, 0, 1. Let's start more A so we can get how it works. So we have to add this. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we are dealing with base 2. We got 2 divided by 2. That will give us 1, remainder 0. So you write the 0, which is the remainder, and you carry the 1. This is 3 now. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. That's 3 over 2. So that gives us 1, remainder 1. So you write the remainder, you carry this. This is 2. That's 0, remainder 1. You carry this. This is 2. That's 0, remainder 1. This is 3. This is 1, 1. So that means our answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0 base 2. So that is how addition works in binary. Subtraction. This is the example for subtraction. So here 1 minus 1 is 0. 0 minus 1 is not possible. So you borrow from here, this becomes 0. And you carry 2 because we are dealing with base 2. Now if it is in base 10, just like I explained in the beginning of this, if it is a minus, you'll be carrying 10. That is, you'll be carrying one number. Here, this is because we carry 1, this becomes 11. This is base 10. But this is base 2. Then you carry 2. So 2 minus 1 will give you 1. This 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. Then bring down 1. So this is how to solve for subtraction. Now let's quickly move to multiplication. Here is the example for multiplication. 1 times 1 will give you 1. 1 times 1, 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 1. Then you add it. 1 here, 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. Just like the 2 divided by 2, that's 1 remainder 0. Write 0, carry 1. This is 3. 3 divided by 2, that's 1 remainder 0. Write 0. Sorry, 1 remainder 1. Write 1. Then you carry the 1. This becomes 2. That's 1 remainder 0, 0 to 1. That means our answer is 1, 0, 1, 0, 1 is 2. So that is that about multiplication in binary. So for the division aspect, what you do is you convert the number you are given to base 10, the two numbers, you convert it to base 10, then you divide it normally in the division method that you know. After you get your answer, then you convert it back to base 2. So I will be making a video about conversion of bases from base 10 to other bases and from other bases to base 10 in my next video. But let me quickly show what I'm explaining. For example, when you have 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2 and 10 base 2, if you have to divide this, what do? Now if you change this in conversion, if you convert this will give you 12 base 10, and if you convert this will give you 2 base 10. So that means it is 12 divided by 2. In the normal division, you know that's 6 base 10. So if you convert this to base 2, and this is the method I'm using in that next video which I'm talking about for the conversion. 6 here, 2 in 6, that's 3 remainder 0, 2 in 3, 1 remainder 1, 2 in 1, 0 remainder 1. So from down to up, you have 1, 1, 0 base 2. So that means the division of 1, 1, 0, 0 base 2 and 10 base 2 will yield 1, 1, 0 base 2. So that's how to do the division. So I hope this video was helpful. This is the end of number bases as related to base 2, and we'll be considering conversion of bases in our next video. Thank you very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment on this video.